Another video. This one will be in English, as it might be interesting for a couple of people. Right now I'm in the canton of Graubünden, and in this video I want to talk about and test out the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. I have it, I think, 10 months right now. I've been testing it in different and kind of extreme conditions already, so I will talk about that footage and my experiences later on. We are going right now for a bivouac on the Falkness on nearly 2,600 meters. It's gonna be a long walk, pretty steep, but yeah, I think it will be worth it. Pretty nice view up there, and yeah, let's meet up later. And yeah, let's go. So, here we are at the Falkness, 2,560 meters, something like that. Super beautiful view. Down there's the Rhine Valley, the Alpstein. Ah, so nice, huh? And there's Liechtenstein, Three Sisters. Yeah, all the stuff is there. And now let's go to the top and search for a spot to sleep.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, knowing to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine. You'll be just fine.
So, as you have seen, I just built the tent up here. Yeah, a little bit interesting to lay in there, but yeah, that's the way it is. If you want to sleep on the top, could have had it different, but I want to have this for the shot. But on a other topic, let's talk about the drone. So, I'm sure I brought it up here with me, and I usually carry it in the Scope Pro case. Because this comes super in handy, and you can see already if I remove this thing then you see that I already have the filters on. These are the Polar Pro ones, which I highly recommend. It's an unpaid advertisement, to be honest, because they sent me the filters for a test. I definitely like them, and it helps you to keep your frame rates constantly, your exposure correct to the frame rate. You know what I mean? And right now there's the ND32 with a polarizer on it. I think I'll switch to the 16 with the polarizer on it. Yeah, in terms of weight, you know it all. I don't tell you anything about facts or whatever. I've had this drone, as I mentioned before, like for 1 month, a little bit more, and I flew it on different kind of mountains, quite often about above 2,000 meters, with winds up to 30k per hour. I show you a video here, and it's just like on the mountain over there. Just can't see it right now. But I show you the footage now, and if you look at it, footage is super clean. You don't see any shaky or whatever. There's no stabilization after work or whatever done, so this works super fine. The few things that I really like about the drone is actually to be able to recharge it with the power bank, which I really quite often use, because I just have one battery, which is usually fairly enough. The next thing is the possibility of the sensors. Also the 48 megapixel photos look really astonishing. Show you something here. And yeah, for sure the vertical shooting. So yeah, I'll show you some footage from here, what you can do, and you see like how things work out. I just want to say, like, what is this drone for? Whom is this drone for? Sure thing, this is a perfect kind of consumer drone, what you can use kind of professionally, if you do content creation, especially if you looking for real content. This will definitely a good tool for you, and will give you a lot of opportunities to to get some great shots, as you can shoot directly vertical, which helps you don't lose anything while cropping or whatever. So it's just perfect, and this is for sure probably the most common reason why people buy this drone. In terms of color depth, it's the same old problem. It's okay, but for sure it's not perfect if you compare it to a Canon R5, which is laying right behind me. But yeah, what to expect? I mean, this is 250 grams. It's super lightweight. I personally just bought for sure the controller with the display, which is a huge game changer for me. And I'm actually just waiting that this thing is supporting also the Mavic Air 2S. This will be really cool, as I have this drone as well. It supports already the Mavic 3, so this is really handy if you have both drones. You just need one controller, and this is really cool. So let's stop talking. I'll show you what I filmed, and I wish you a lot of fun. If you have any questions, you just can leave it down below in the comment. And yeah, let's go. So, as you saw, it was a really nice sunrise. You can see it over there as well. It's really beautiful. And yeah, two more thoughts about this drone maybe. It flies super good till 30k of wind. At least in Europe, this is anyway the legal maximum of wind speed that you're allowed to fly. So you're totally ready to go with this one. It's super nice, even though I didn't test it too much, that you already can track or follow a subject. We'll test this out soon. And yeah, as I told you before, my personally favorite thing is that I can recharge it with the power bank. You can see it's charging again. And even I think there's just like with the sensors that they have built in the 3 one compared to the 2 one, this will be way better for not so experienced drone pilots. And yeah, it gives them the opportunity to try it out and hopefully not crash the drone on the first attempt. Yeah, all in all, thumbs up for this product. Definitely like it, and yeah, I hope this gave you a little bit of an input, so how this drone is working here up in the mountains. And yeah, I'll show you some more material I catched up the last 2 weeks with this little drone. And yeah, stay tuned for new videos, and if you like the video, just hit that subscribe button, and if you liked it, thumbs up, and if you have subscribed, it would be really cool if you could ring the bell. It's all totally free, so thanks for your support, and I wish you a wonderful day. See ya.